I'm going to model the pillow in this video. Before I start the modeling, I want to decrease the number of the polygon counts. So, because I want my computer to calculate and do the simulation faster. So I choose the matrix and remove the noise effect first, and then reduce the number of seconds. You can keep it, okay, if your computer is fast enough. And then I go to geometry, boss, create a boss, change the parameter. This is a normal size for our pillow, and then I want more segment, so I give it 50 and 80. And if you want to have better calculation results, I suggest that you can increase the number of the length and width, so that create a drying pillow. So the computer will calculate a better result. And then I give a modified cloth. Make sure that you've turned off gravity. Okay, if it's in blue color, that means it's turning on. I need to turn it off. And then go to object property. Select your object, change it to cloth. There's different kind of fabric you can choose. We are going to use cotton. And then the pressure, if you give it a positive number, indicate this case I want to use number 4, it will increase the pressure inside your pillow. It's just like that you are blowing some air into your pillow, so your pillow will increase the volume. Larger the number, larger the volume. So I click OK. And then there's different kinds of simulate button you can use. In this case, I want to use simulate local. You can stop the simulation anytime if you think you get the result you want. For example, if I want this result, I can turn it off. Or if you want to start over and then do it again, you can click reset state and then click simulate local again. Okay, after that, I turn off simulate local. This is my pillow, and then I choose it and choose the scale tool. Okay, I undo it first. Okay, select it. And then use the movement tool to move it on our bed. You can also use the FFD to help you adjust the shape of your pillow if you want. After that, you have to duplicate one more pillow, but be sure that if you do the duplication, I'm holding my keyboard shift key, you have to use instance. If you use copy, you will see that the effect will not take place. So I undo it first, and then I duplicate it again. I use instance. If I really want to change the outlook of my new pillow and make it disconnect with the original one, what you can do is to collapse all the modifier right here. I right click and collapse all. Okay, it will turn your object into an editable mesh with vertex edge face. I can choose FFD 4 times 4 again, and then you can adjust it. Okay, I'll remove this pillow first. Okay, let me have a look for this pillow. Besides the shape, I want to increase the detail for my pillow. So I go to here, add the body, select edge. I select this edge. I press F4 so that you can see much more clear. I select this edge, and then I click ring. Okay. I click connect. I press keyboard F3 so that you can see much more clear. Okay. I increase the second number. Not this one. The second number. I increase the second number a bit. Yeah, do it again. Ring. Remove the FFD4. Okay. Ring. Connect. Maybe one only. And then actual decrease. So that I add some polygon and some edge in between our pillow. And what I want to do is to give a turbo smooth on it. Okay, so that we will have more detail for our pillow. And after that, if you want to change the shape of your pillow, you can give a FFD for it. And remember that if you want to duplicate your pillow, you have to collapse your object. Otherwise, the cloth effect will not take place.